The Prime Minister raining fire on the Congress party as also the Aam Aadmi party. Let's tell you about the big story we are tracking closely. Viewers, we've seen a dramatic U-turn by the Aam Aadmi party in the assault case. One wonders if this is Kejriwal's odd even formula at play. Don't get me wrong. First, Kejriwal fielded Sanjay Singh on May 14, an even day. And in that press conference, he admitted misbehavior was Kejriwal's PA. 3 days later, on May 17, odd day, the smear campaign began. Kejriwal fielded another minister, Atishi, who claimed that Maliwal was the face of the conspiracy and it was done at the behest of the BJP. The Aam Aadmi party also released video of Kejriwal's drawing room showing Maliwal engaged in a heated argument with CM's security staff. On the basis of the video, they claim that instead of Maliwal being a victim of assault, it was she who was hurling threats and abuses. And now AAP has released another video from May 13, the day of the incident. The video shows Maliwal being frog marched by the security staff out of CM's residence. AAP claimed that Maliwal is seen walking normally, their words, not mine, and that her clothes look intact. AAP also contrasted this with how Maliwal was seen walking yesterday during crime scene recreation and when she was taken to the hospital. That's not it. AAP has now floated another theory. They say that there was a recruitment scam case against Maliwal being probed by the Anti-Corruption Bureau, insinuating that Maliwal, in order to save herself, gave in to BJP's pressure tactics. But listen to this odd even formula that the Aam Aadmi party seems to have deployed in this case.
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी, ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने एक साजिश रची, एक षड्यंत्र रचा और उस षड्यंत्र के तहत स्वाति मालीवाल जी को दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के घर 13 मई को सुबह सुबह भेजा गया। स्वाति मालीवाल जी इस षड्यंत्र का चेहरा थी। स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर एंटी करप्शन ब्यूरो का एक रिक्रूटमेंट स्कैम का केस चल रहा है। अब ये मामला खत्म होने के करीब आ रहा है, तो इसलिए ऐसा लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी का ये जो फॉर्मूला है कि अलग अलग नेताओं पे केस करना, उसी फॉर्मूले को वो स्वाति मालीवाल जी पर इस्तेमाल किया गया होगा। हमें ये विश्वसनीय सूत्रों से पता चला है कि पिछले कुछ महीनों से वो लगातार भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेताओं से संपर्क में है। तो दिल्ली पुलिस इस बात की जांच करे कि ये कैसा षड्यंत्र है।
Let's quickly open this up with the guest that we have. Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Huda Zariwala, political analyst, will be joining us shortly. Lokesh Jindal, political analyst, completes the panel. Good evening, both of you. Now, Sanju Verma, I am absolutely shocked and aghast by this odd even formula that the AAP has adopted in this case, as serious as this. Sanjay Singh said something else, then Atishi did a U-turn. You're on mute.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. You know, I often quote Tennessee Williams, his famous quote, the only thing worse than a liar is a liar who is also a hypocrite. And I think Arvind Kejriwal, be it Sanjay Singh, be it Manish Sisodia cooling his heels in Tihar, you know, the entire top brass, including Atishi and Saurabh Bhardwaj, these guys are a bunch of liars and hypocrites, and very brazenly at that. They peddle lies with rabid impunity because they believe that offense is the best form of defense. But ये public है, ये सब जानती है, और केजरीवाल के चेहरे से नकाब पूरी तरह से उतर चुका है. And I'll tell you what, without being verbose and engaging in rhetoric, I will place some hard facts for the consumption of your audience. I always say, measure a man by his track record. This is the same Kejriwal who said मैं तो जी राजनीति में कट्टर ईमानदारी से चलने वाला हूं। पहले तो इन्होंने अपने बच्चों की कसम खाई थी कि राजनीति में दाखिला लूंगा ही नहीं, पर चलिए अभी राजनीति में दाखिला ले लिया तो कट्टर ईमानदारी की दुहाई देते थे। और जितने भी आम आदमी पार्टी के सूरमा हैं, ये हर वक्त कहते थे that we have zero tolerance for corruption. Today they undermine the credibility of the Supreme Court at the drop of a hat, saying अरे जी मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग तो हुई नहीं, अरे दिल्ली लिकर गेट तो बीजेपी की वाइल्ड इमेजिनेशन का एक नमूना है, अरे जी हमारे अरविंद केजरीवाल तो राजा हरिश्चंद्र का चौथा अवतार है। But I want to ask a few questions. Forget about the recruitment scam. Forget about what Swati Maliwal is saying. CCTV footages have come into play. There will be a forensic evidence. Delhi police will do the needful in terms of investigation. Bibhav Kumar has filed an FIR. Swati Maliwal has filed an FIR. वो सब तो ठीक है. But I want to ask one thing. How is it that CM अरविंद केजरीवाल के रेसिडेंस में, उनके 50 करोड़ के शीश महल के अंदर, उनकी मौजूदगी में his former PA Bibhav Kumar, who continues to be Kejriwal's close aide and confidant, he beats, kicks, physically assaults Swati Maliwal, और उसके बाद look at the audacity, look at the temerity of these guys. They say अरे ये तो नरेंद्र मोदी का रचा हुआ षड्यंत्र है, ये तो जेपी नड्डा का रचा हुआ षड्यंत्र है, ये तो भाजपा का रचा हुआ षड्यंत्र है।
Right.
Sanjay Singh clearly said on the 14th of May, 31 hours after Swati Maliwal was physically assaulted, बिभव कुमार ने स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ बदतमीजी की, बिभव कुमार ने स्वाति मालीवाल के साथ अभद्र व्यवहार किया। बदतमीजी और अभद्र व्यवहार की टिप्पणी संजय सिंह ने की थी, एंड विद इन अ फ्यू आवर्स ऑफ दैट यू सॉ संजय सिंह एंड बिभव कुमार rubbing shoulders with each other in Lucknow. You saw Bibhav Kumar in Arvind Kejriwal's car. You saw Bibhav Kumar traveling with Arvind Kejriwal in his aircraft. I mean, if somebody isn't accused, and that too accused of a heinous crime by the sitting Rajya Sabha MP of Aam Aadmi Party, are you going to be mollycoddling that guy? That itself shows that Kejriwal दूध के धुले नहीं हैं. Kejriwal and Bibhav Kumar are two sides of the same coin.
Let's bring in Huda Zariwala. Huda Zariwala, explain to us this odd even formula that you've employed in this case first. Sanjay Singh making one comment and then Atishi saying something else. And just to extend what Sanju Verma was saying, look, Vibhav was found from Kejriwal's residence once again. The man is booked under serious sections and continues to enjoy the patronage of the Chief Minister. In fact, Kejriwal, in his statement today, has openly defended him again.
Well, first of all, good evening. And it honestly doesn't matter whatever BJP is saying at this point in time, because Bibhav Kumar is not a person who has been, taken into task as of now. In our constitution, any person is innocent until proven guilty. BJP can cry all the foul they want, but then this is a man who is not really, there's nothing proven against him, because you've seen the videos yesterday. You've seen how Swati Maliwal is in fact heckling the Delhi police and the other security personnel out there. So whom are we even, why are we defending Swati Maliwal?
No one is defending anyone. Huda Zariwala, 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Very rich. No, 1 minute. You're talking about the constitution. 1 minute. What does the constitution say? That one political party will play judge, jury and executioner. In this case, this is what the Aam Aadmi Party is doing. How dare you? No, 1 minute. Huda Zariwala, how dare you? 1 minute. How dare you besmirch the reputation of Swati Maliwal? Let the courts decide. And after you said, after you said, 1 minute, after the Aam Aadmi Party admitted that there was misbehavior inside the CM's residence, what changed? You tell me. What changed? Miss Zariwala, what changed? 1 minute. This is not about defending anyone. This is about the principle of justice. Huda Zariwala, you are a woman. Just think about it. Think about it. If the courts are capable. If Miss Maliwal is, if you are suggesting that what Swati Maliwal is saying is completely wrong or is just based on falsehood, the courts will decide. And the courts can then take action against her because she's recorded a statement under oath in front of the magistrate. Let me bring in someone who understands the law. Lokesh, forget the politics for a bit. Is it right to go after the victim? Do victims deserve this?
Good evening, Pranesh. Pranesh, first of all, the facts have not been established yet, and the very dignity and the very dignified right that Swati Maliwal enjoys, so also Bibhav Kumar enjoys. Nobody can claim over here that the dignity of Swati Maliwal is higher than that of Bibhav Kumar. All are equal before laws. The claim that has been put forth by Swati Maliwal has been taken into cognizance. The police has registered an FIR, and accordingly, on the basis of the cognizable nature of the offense, arrest has been taken. The anticipatory bail has been denied because the arrest was already taken. However, Bibhav Kumar, in his defense, he has put up certain facts to the notice of the court. He has also put up his defense, and accordingly, he has also filed a counter FIR. Now, over here, there are lots of issues that still needs to be answered. What was the reason for this delay in filing of FIR? Why was the FIR filed after a 3 days delay?
Can I ask you
And
something?
secondly,
Can I ask you? No, let's take it question by question, Lokesh. If you, with your permission. And Sanju Verma, I'm bringing you in after this. I just have one straight question for Lokesh. Lokesh was saying, questioning the delay in FIR. You tell me, what explains the delay on part of the Aam Aadmi Party to launch this smear campaign against Swati Maliwal? Why did they send Sanjay Singh to say what he said? And then there was an afterthought. Maybe they were trying to, strike a deal. Who knows? But let me read out to you things that have been said about Miss Maliwal. I mean, I did not want to repeat it, but I am forced to because of, what Huda Zariwala is saying. Preeti Sharma Menon, opportunistic women misuse laws. Dilip Pandey, truth will dispel darkness of Swati's lies. Then you have Harpal Chima, Vibhav, a good human. It's a conspiracy against him. Aman Arora, Swati Maliwal doing all this for political reasons. This wasn't needed. Sanju Verma.
Pranesh, can I make a point
No,
here?
let Sanju Verma come in.
Thank you. Okay. Pranesh, I just want to also draw the attention of your viewers to this entire attitudinal problem that the Dot Dot Alliance faces currently. The same Priyanka Vadra who kept screaming about Ladki Hu Lad Sakti Hu and ran all the way to Hathras. What has been her attitude to this entire Swati Maliwal issue? Nipta lo, ye to andruni मामला है, हुआ तो हुआ. What has been the attitude of Akhilesh Yadav? अरे ये कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं है, अंदरूनी मामला है, खुद निपटा लेंगे, हुआ तो हुआ. What has been the attitude of Rahul Gandhi, who peddles his fake मोहब्बत की दुकान at every given opportunity? एक पोस्ट या ट्वीट नहीं की राहुल गांधी ने, who has an opinion on everything under the sun, because राहुल गांधी का भी एटीट्यूड है, निपटा लेंगे, कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर लेंगे, हुआ तो हुआ. And Arvind Kejriwal is the same guy who had told Sandeep Kumar, who was involved in that infamous sex CD scam in 2016. Sandeep Kumar, pardon me, was the Minister for Social Justice and Welfare in the Aam Aadmi Party government. जब sex CD सामने आई, तो Arvind Kejriwal had infamously said, "अरे compromise कर लो, हुआ तो हुआ." This is the same Arvind Kejriwal who in 2016 had said, when Somnath Bharti was accused of domestic violence by his wife, that Somnath Bharti को हम expel करेंगे, कड़ी से कड़ी इनको सजा मिलेगी. Somnath Bharti ने कुछ महीने जेल में बिताए, he came out. Arvind Kejriwal made him the vice chairman of the Delhi Jal Board. Today he is the Lok Sabha candidate from New Delhi against Bansuri Swaraj. तो अरविंद केजरीवाल का रवैया towards misogynistic people, towards wife beaters, towards people who are tarnished due to domestic violence allegations.
Now, Huda Zariwala, answer this. Saurabh Bharadwaj, one of your own, said, and I'm quoting him, कपड़े उनके ठीक ठाक हैं, victim नहीं दिख रही हैं. आप बता दीजिए victim behavior क्या होता है? Is there a body language that one should follow? If you are a victim or if you are pleading for justice, how should one sit? How should one talk? How should one dress? ये बता दीजिए ma'am. This will be a first on television.
Okay, I speak out of personal experience. I have met Bibhav Kumarji and he is a thorough gentleman. So does my opinion as a woman not count? Does any of the ladies who have dealt with Bibhav Kumarji and none of them have ever had a complaint with him, does that not count? Why is the entire BJP
No, one minute, Huda Zariwala, what you're saying is wrong on multiple counts. No, 1 minute. People like Osama bin Laden have been interviewed by journalists. The journalist wasn't attacked. Virappan was interviewed. The journalist who was asking questions wasn't murdered. You will give them the Nobel Peace Prize? They were still, they were still the people that the world knows them as. Now, come on, Huda Zariwala, don't trivialize this, please. Huda Zariwala, no, 1 minute. You have to be responsible in your commentary. The case is decided in a court of law. It is based on evidence. I am only asking you about the smear campaign. As a woman, do you endorse this?
Can I not speak out of personal experience? Somebody who's actually met both the people in question. Somebody who's actually been closely associated with both of them. Can I not speak out of
now,
personal experience?
1 minute. Let me give you Huda Zariwala personal experience. Sanju ji, let me give her a reality check. Has Arvind Kejriwal met Lalu Yadav? Has he?
I mean,
has he met him? I am sure you've seen pictures. Lalu Yadav is a convicted criminal.
I am talking
1
about
minute.
the man
What should one make of this personal experience of Arvind Kejriwal meeting Lalu Yadav? What are you even saying? Lokesh, are we going to, now talk along these lines?
Pranesh, let's not get into any form of a speculation from both the ends, whether it was Swati Maliwal at fault or Bibhup Kumar, because as I said earlier, that both of them enjoy a right to live with dignity. And both of them have filed complaints. Either of the two has filed a false complaint. Now, who is the one is basically an important inquiry to be undertaken. And this is not an ordinary issue. It is a use and abuse of power or use and abuse of law. Whether in both the ends, it has to be dealt with neutrally, impartially, and very, very seriously. If Swati Maliwal is held guilty, she should face the law.
The Aam Aadmi Party has already convicted Swati Maliwal. Sanju Verma, that's the fear. You have 30 seconds, the last word on the show.
Thank you. Thank you, Pranesh. I'll just quickly say, Lokesh has at least made a sensible comment that, let the law of the land prevail, and I'm sure it will. But in the meanwhile, let us not undermine and demonize Swati Maliwal, who was brutally physically assaulted. But I'll just read out a very interesting tweet by this big handle, Mr. Sinha. I think he captures the essence of what Aam Aadmi Party's hypocrisy is all about. Kejriwal kicked out Kumar Vishwas, Anand Kumar defended Kejriwal. Kejriwal kicked out Anand, Prashant Bhushan defended Kejriwal. Kejriwal kicked out Bhushan, Yogendra Yadav defended Kejriwal. Kejriwal kicked out Yogendra, Ashutosh defended it. Kejriwal kicked out Ashutosh, Swati Maliwal defended it. Now Swati Maliwal has been kicked out, Atishi Marlena, etc. are defending it. This cycle will continue because Kejriwal is nobody's friend. I think that sums up.
Let's hope that justice is served in the case. I thank all of you, Sanju Verma, Lokesh Jindal and Huda Zariwala, for joining us on Times Now.